Arapat Ocean Park. Happy birthday, Tanya Calista. Calista, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me.
Eto, what fish is this? Ikaw, anong fish ka?
Fishball.
Fishball? Ayun oh. What's that?
Catfish. Ghost. Catfish.
Silver dollar tetra.
Talia, picture kita dyan. Talia, dito ka. Dito ka, Talia.
Picture ka lang eh. Ah, picture.
Dito, Ubi. Wala. Ay! Dali mo na. Ka na, Talia. Talia, nakikita mo dun sa ano.
Page, inuulam yan.
Ayun.
Ha? Ganda yan. Ganda nga oh. What's that? Ay, hindi na makita. Wait lang, di pa nga nakikita. Ayun oh, ayun si Nemo pala.
Sino?
Si Nemo.
Yan ba si Mimo? Yun yellow.
Clownfish.
Hey, Nemo. Ito pupunta.
Hindi na ako nakakita nito. Wow! Natago. Ayun oh, may mas malapit. Ayun na siya. Asa na yung manta ray? Yung stingray. Ayun oh. Oh, nabangga na.
So now let's go alarm. Can we start? When your dummies are ready, the rabbits celebrate commercial for us. Even the first number score. And here's the first correct. How about the second number? Well, Rocky loves number. And he gets the numbers here. So the question is 10 plus 40 and moving digits. So here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that first, we are not trying to take care of residency, but also for nothing as well. Now, who knows that we are? What are
The ball. So how do you think they get the ball?
In their nose.
They
In their nose.
walk back. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Slowly up. One, two. Three goes. Okay, here's time. Would you like to see a next number? Number 9, friends. Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you like to see your pets?
May ipis ko. Alaga nila. Ay,
I-eat niya yan, i-eat.
ganda pala yung pumpo ng ano. At ang turtle, ano ko? Ay, yung turtle.
Dubai.
Ito, anong ano to?
Nagkikis ka taliya, oh. Di ba tayo niya? Opo. No, no, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
I don't like it.
Guys, guys.
Ano yan, kalista? Gecko. Asan yung gecko?
Ayan mo na sabihin na.
Ayun.
Loritos na.
Ano mo may biglang? Ah,
Wait, Bobby, ang cute. Bobby, ang cute.
Pera, uy!
oh.
Ay, snake oh.
Wait lang. Galing, oh. Kakahilo. Ang galing, oh.
Hindi na uwi. Doon na tayo sa kabila.
Naka-start na ah.
Ang tagal lumiwanag, Mia. Ang tagal lumiwanag.
Hindi ka kita.
Hindi lumiwanag. Gusto ko lumiwanag.
Bakit naman eh? Hindi na may medyas. Dali na punta na doon, no? Hindi na po sila, oh. Dito lang siya ata. Wait lang, ayusin natin. Ayusin natin kayo. Dali naman na.
Kaliskots! Nakakahilo.
Ako.
Very proud of belonging to this movement. Our leaders like Cesar and our they have a planning body. However, as they compare, not how intelligent she is, they will bring back the shape into the forest. Just like that, we bring back our from South America. And they're also known as the gentle giant of the pirate country. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest in the world. You can grow up to like 6 meters and can be up to 8 years old. Trading teams are a quarter there. For the last shape, hey, you're very intelligent, alright? I am not gonna force us to do your weekly. Mark.
Dali ba tayo iba? Kaya na, dali na. Never gonna go to the back. Ano to? Dog ako! Motoro Stingray! Stingray! Whatever.
Bagay, inuulam yan.
Stingray? Ayun, ayun. Ano? Peacock bass. Let's see there! Let's go to the lake. Let's go to the lake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there fighting? Tayo dun. Oh! Seaworm? 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 Hintayin natin sila matapos. Dito ka, picture.
Thank you for watching!
Please exit at the left side of Aquatica by the narrow tree. Please exit at the left side of Aquatica by the narrow tree.
Female Saltwater Simaya that we have here. And for her trainer, she is the cutest. Her name is Ira. Together, trainer E, say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea? Where they're called sweet or better to marine mammals? Any idea? do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front fingers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term benefits may also be translated as wing-folded, since their fingers they look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to fly underwater, actually free from face to face, right, ladies? And did you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have either front flippers, and they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of our roller coaster sea lion friends. And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another roller coaster sea lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers come the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive while they smile. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from the rate of water. They have small external ears, give them a good sense of hearing.